to see my Jesus in his glory and to reign with him on high. I'll be so glad to see my mother who has gone on to that land. Oh, but I long to see my Jesus and by his side to stand.
Without a father, without a mother, and to make this journey by myself. Sometimes your friends hardly seem like so many sorrows. I have known, but I know my Lord will call me to that mansion in the sky, and I shall reign with him forever in that sweet home by and by. So many times my heavy burden have borne me to my knees, but then I pray, oh blessed Jesus, won't you help me if you please, and he will hasten to my rescue. I no longer have to cry, and so I'll keep my Savior